press the bell icon for all the updates.
As film is doing good and probably you will be starting a new project. You were supposed to start with a film with Mr. Irfan. Is it time for us to pray for him and wish him the best in these conditions?
I think we should always pray for people and good health, you know. So if his health is not you know, the best at this point, I think it is important for all of us to pray, not just for him, but I think for people who, you know, I think every day, in fact, that's a small little prayer I say for myself and for everyone around me. I say this, I always believe that there's nothing more important than peace of mind and being healthy. And yes, I think the last couple of weeks have been emotionally challenging. But yeah, I think we all should say a little prayer.
You have worked with so much, like very memorable films. How do you feel as an actor for it? Like as an actor about his work?
He is someone I absolutely love, not just as an actor, but as a person. I've had, I think, one of my most special I would say experiences as an actor with him. Piku will be my all-time favorite and special films, and I think he has a large part to play in that. And but that's it. I mean, I honestly do not know. I do not know where he is. I do not know what has happened. And I think, like he has requested, I think there are times when people just need to be left alone for some time and figure their lives out. And I think we should respect that space that they have all requested for. But like we said, you know, hope for the best and say a little prayer.
देखिए, I think इरफान खान ने ऑलरेडी एक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि उन्होंने कहा भी है कि आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको स्पेकुलेट ना करें इस चीज़ को. एंड आई थिंक हमको एक इतने बड़े एक्टर जो आई थिंक ही इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इज़ द ओनली एक्टर हु इज़ एन एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एन हॉलीवुड स्टार इन आवर कंट्री, जिन्होंने सबसे टॉप ऑफ द लाइन डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया है. सो मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ, 2-3 बार ही मिल चुका हूँ मैं, और वो फिर से एक और स्टेटमेंट देंगे आपको. आप सबको जो आप लोगों को सवाल जो है वो अपने आप जवाब देंगे. वो भी बहुत ही एक अच्छे इंसान हैं, वो मैं उनके बहुत करीब हूँ. सो आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. ही इज़ फाइन नाउ एंड ही विल इशू पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट अगेन, एंड उससे आपको सब मालूम चलेगा. आप प्लीज़, मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, स्पेकुलेट ना करें.
So there are the news that Irfan Khan is not well or something. You want to say something about him? Something like that.
Well, you've said it. I mean, what else do I say on that?
Any wishes or something?
Any wishes to him? I will make personal wishes to him. And what he said, I'm not exactly clear about the details. We've not heard it from his own words or his own mouth, but it's extremely sad. And we're hoping he recovers and has a partly better time with this, whatever he's going through.